Are you interested in learning how to mix concrete but you don't know where to begin? Well, that's good, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to mix concrete the best way that you can. Hey folks, Kevin here with Kev's Castle and CastleRemodel.com. I just wanted to let you know that if you hit that like button down below, it'll help me out. And also if you hit that subscribe button right next to it, it'll help you out because it'll show you the next video that I add to the channel, which is going to be more videos like this that help you turn your home into a sanctuary. Now let's get started. The first step is to use safety measures, and I'm going to be wearing a dust mask. I will be putting on some gloves in a minute when I get started with the mixing, but for now, to open the bag, I am just going to do it barehanded and have the mask on, so if you can't hear me, hopefully you can hear me all right. I'm just cutting a small hole in the side of this bag, and I'm going to pour it off to one side in the mixing trough. I'm not going to pour the entire bag. This concrete mix says to use 2.8 liters of water for this 80-pound bag. I am not putting the entire amount of concrete in the trough just to get the mixing started, because it might be a little too overwhelming to have that much dry mixed in with the water. This is a 3-liter container that I had lying around, so I filled it up, and I'm not going to use all of the volume in here because I want 2.8 liters. And the way I'm going to mix it is with one of these rock rakes. To do this, I'm just going to start by pushing it in. Mix it back and forth until all of the dry concrete is wet. It turns out that I end up needing more water than what the bag of concrete calls for, so it's good to have extra water on hand if you need it. After getting it to a consistency of similar to like oatmeal, I'm getting ready to put it into the hole that I am trying to fill in with concrete. I dumped some of it in and noticed that the bottom of it is still dry. So what I did is took this 2x6 and I'm tapping it down because the wet concrete that's near the bottom of the trench is actually going to make the dry concrete wet. Using the edge of the 2x6, I am working the concrete into the trench to try to level out the top. That all I needed was one 80-pound bag for this job, and it filled in perfectly. I did not have any excess, and I was able to level it out fine. I added too much water for this last bit of concrete, and so after I figured that out, I am trying to put it in the locations that are a little bit more dry in this spot. So I am going to stir it up and get it as level as possible. Now all the concrete is in the trench that I am trying to fill in. So I am spending time and working it to where it is level at the top, and even though it is a little wet, it's going to be fine because it'll dry out and level itself out a little bit better. So it only took one 80-pound bag to fill this little trench. I may have added a little bit too much water right here, and we're gonna see how it levels out. There is a bit of a ridge. I think before we put the flooring in this area, I may have to grind down some of that ridge. The final step is to clean up all your tools after you're done, and to do that, just simply rinse it off with the hose. Let them dry out and you're good to go. You can store them away wherever you feel like afterwards. And there you have it. Mixing concrete is that easy. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up down below. Also hit that subscribe button for more videos like this in the future. I just wanted to tell you about a product that I created. It's a digital product. It is called the Contractor Search Guide. And what it does is it helps you go through the process of finding a contractor for your home remodel experience. It's going to show you exactly what interview questions to ask. It's going to walk you through the locations to look for a reliable contractor. And then also it has a section on the contract itself and what you need to put into it or leave out of it. If you are interested in that, click that link down below. And also, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.